Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. I picked up some more storage containers, and this is by Teaching Tree. I picked up 3 more of these little boxes. I like them. They're really cute. And it's got the little latch. That's what I love. So if I accidentally drop it, I don't have to worry about it falling to pieces. So I picked up 3 of these, and then these are in the light gray color. Very happy I found 3 more gray ones. So I need those to organize some stuff. I will find uses for them. And then I picked up some more sequins. I found... I'm missing a ribbon. Okay, it is somewhere on my table somewhere. I picked up 3 of these fuchsia sequin ribbons, and if these come like this, let me see. Find the end in here. They're already threaded for you. Look at this. I love them. I love working with these. They come in, let's see, 0.24 inch wide by 15 feet, which is 5 yards. So 5 yards of the sequins. Really cute. I'm quite happy to my store finally restocked, so I grabbed them. And then these you will find in the gift section. So 3 fuchsias. I picked up 3 of the gold ones. Oh yeah, I need to locate the other one. But yeah, and then the same thing with this one. It comes in the, what did I say it was? Oh wait, this one's different. Why is it different? Hold on. They seem to be the same. But anyhow, let me see. Let me peel this off. I'm curious now. Because the gold one says 65 feet. I don't know. They seem to be the same amount. But I don't know. Well, anyhow, the fuchsia one is... Let me find one I haven't torn apart. It comes in 15 feet, which is 5 yards. And then the gold one comes in 65 feet, which is 21.67 yard. Wow. Let me see. And then they only had 1 silver, so I only picked up the silver one. And then the silver one is 15 feet. Huh. But let's see. They seem to be the same size as far as the sequin is concerned. Let me put them side by side. Yeah, sequin size is the same. It's just you get more gold on here than you do the other colors. And they also have this in the aqua, or like the teal color. And I bought some already. So I'm quite happy I found these. Now I just need 2 more of the silver ones. I'll have to check my other stores and try to find a couple more. And I will have them on hand when I need them. And then I needed some super glue, so I picked up some super glue. And I picked up the one in the bottle one. And I always have problems with this, the squeezing kind, the tube kind. So I'm going to give this one a try. Nothing too exciting about it. But you get 2 bottles in a package. Next, I picked up some fabric. I think this is leftovers from all the spring and summer collection. But I was quite happy I found these. So I picked it up in this color here. Look at that. Isn't that great fall colors? Oh, it's got a flaw. Look at that. But I'll just work around that. But, oh, it looks like only half the fabric is flawed. But I will work around that. I'm going to use this for small projects anyway, so it'll be alright. And then I found this one too. They're similar, but the color is just a little bit different. And they only had one each of the colors, so I only picked up one. See there? It's like more yellows in this one, and then like a darker tone in this one. So quite happy with those. And then I found this vase. And it's just called a vase. And it's black. It was in perfect condition until I got hold of it. I bumped the edge and I chipped it. And I colored it in with some Sharpie. I'm trying to disguise that, so the first layer didn't work, so I'm going to try it again. Not too bad. I'm going to let that dry and see what happens. And then here. I mean, it's got like a cute little pattern on there, see? And then this is the only one I saw, so I was thinking I can use this for like my Halloween projects. I got another boo-boo right there. Yeah, it was in perfect condition until I got a hold of it. I brought it home and then I bumped it. But yeah, I like it. And then I found this too. And these are the last two items I picked up. This is an adhesive cutting mat. And it says standard grip. It is 4.5 by 6.5 inch. And I think it's like a, I don't know if it's repositionable, because it doesn't really say. Well, I was going to peel it for you, but it doesn't want to peel. Well, the top, oh, I see what they mean. It's the grid here is sticky. What do I have that I can show you? Let me grab a piece of, I have a notepad here. Hold on. See? And then you can peel it off. I think these are for like the, what do you call those things? The vinyl. You can put it on here, and then like if you need to cut your vinyl, you put your vinyl on here, and then you don't have to worry about sliding. Well, I guess it can work with any paper, right? You can stick it on there, and then you can cut. I'm not sure how it works, but I found it to be interesting. So it's the standard grip mat. Is a multi-purpose mat that is perfect for a wide range of medium weight materials, including pattern paper, vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, craft paper, heat transfer vinyl. But it's just a small little mat, so I guess it would have to be a small project. But I thought it would be interesting to own, so I picked up two. I don't know. I never know. I may need it for something. Now that I own two. I was thinking that it was the back side that was sticky. That way you can attach it to another product. You know, like, I don't know, a board or something. You can put it on there. But no, that's not what it is. It's just the grid part that is sticky. But see, the edging on the grid is just, it's not sticky at all. I found this to be interesting, is why I picked it up. This is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. I found some interesting mats. And of course, I'm always on the watch out for ribbons and fabric. And I'm quite glad I found some more ribbons. The sequin ribbons. And let me see. I believe I have the aqua or the teal one. Because I have I still have my latest project on my table. So here is the teal one. Look at this. So if you get a chance, you can find these 4 colors at the Dollar Tree. And then again, you'll find them in the gift wrapping section. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your next Dollar Tree trip, or things to watch out for. And I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list the next time you visit your Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.